Hey little bugs, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Rose. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing this 90s grunge style inspired makeup, but obviously we're going to make it a little bit more modern. So before we get into this video, be sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and hit the notification bell so you guys get notified every time I upload a video. And make sure you guys are following me on all of my other social media platforms. It's Velez _ I'll have everything listed down below for you guys. Now, without further ado, if you're interested in how I created this sick ass look, then stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright guys, let's get into this tutorial. So first things first, I'm gonna have like a quick little jam sesh. You guys are gonna see me jamming throughout this video. But I'm gonna go ahead and spray the Gerard Cosmetics Mystified Hydrating Spray just to, you know, add some moisture to my skin, and I do pat that in as well. And then we are gonna go ahead and apply some lip gloss, just, you know, because my lips was a little crusty. And this is from my cosmetics line, Velez Beauty. This is the shade Amparo. So head over to Velez Beauty Instagram to see all the swatches for the Boricua bundle. So then I go in with brows, and I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Perfect Brow Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. But before I start filling them in, I went ahead and I took the Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter just to kind of put my brows in place. This stuff is literally amazing, you guys. So I did that, and then I went ahead with filling in the brows, and then as always I had to clean them up. So let you guys see how I pretty much filled them in for now. And again, jam sesh. I love the music, you guys. So right here I'm using my Gerard Cosmetics Clean Canvas Eye Base, and as you guys saw my face, I am almost out, but I have a backup, so we're good. So I'm just using this to go ahead and clean up the brows, as well as prep my eyelids. And you guys, if you don't know, I do have an affiliate code with Gerard Cosmetics. So yeah, if you guys want to save 30% off, go ahead and use code rosevmua. So my brows are no longer looking crazy and thick anymore. They are looking like stepsisters, I guess. So now we're gonna go ahead and prime the face, and I used 3 primers, you guys. So I used the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to help fill in the pores. I really love this primer. It's so good. And then I am going to go in with the Il Makiage. This is called the No Filter Poreless primer. That one's more of like a silicone type base. It actually reminds me of the, I think it's the Smashbox one. Just, you know, the filling of it and everything like that. So I went ahead and used that, and I applied that mainly on the, you know, bottom portion of my face. I didn't touch my forehead. And then the holy grail, I actually use this all over the face, and it's the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, and that is just gonna help the foundation and everything stick really good onto the skin. So now I'm gonna go in with the Jackie Aina palette, and I go ahead and use 3 shades out of the palette. I will be showing you guys in just a little bit. But yeah, like this palette is like honestly the perfect palette to create grunge smoky eyes, whether it's with neutrals, purples, or pinks. It is literally the perfect palette for that. I don't even think they make it anymore, which is so sad. I wish it was literally a permanent palette. Jackie, like, please just, you know, make your own cosmetics line, please. Thank you very much. But yeah, so I go ahead with the dark chocolate brown shade first, and I created like just a map for like a wing shape, and then I went in with the more rustic brown shade and I applied that over, as you guys are seeing right here. And I am just pretty much blending the two. I'm being very messy with this. This is a 90s grunge style makeup look. It's just a little bit more modern. So yeah, I'm being very messy. You don't have to really be precise and super neat because everything is literally just going to be blended together. And now I am taking the lighter brown shade in the palette, and that is going mainly on the mobile lid, and I'm blending it upwards into the rest. And as you guys see, like it literally just blends so well together. And as always, if you guys don't know, if you're new here, when it comes to my shadows, I don't just like apply the shadows once and then blend it. I go back and forth with the shades to make sure that I get the pigmentation that I want, and the look that I want, because a lot of the times when you are blending, you know, the color just starts to fade a little bit. So add more blend until you get the payoff that you want. Okay, so I did liner off camera, but in the waterline I use MAC's Feline, and I tightlined on the upper waterline as well. And then on the actual lash line, I use ABH gel liner in Jet, and then I smoked it out a little bit more, and added more of the darker brown shade. And then obviously whatever I did to the top, I did to the bottom. So next we're gonna go in with the Il Maquillage foundation. This is the Woke Up Like This foundation, and I am in the shade 100. All of the products that I'm using, I will have it listed down below for you guys, and you know, the shades and everything, just in case, you know, you're similar skin complexion to me and you're just interested in what shade to purchase. You guys, this foundation is honestly fucking amazing. Okay, like super amazing. So yeah, I pretty much just apply that all over, and I didn't have to do any primer or anything because I did that and I let it sit in the skin while I was doing the eyes. But yeah, this foundation a little goes a long way and it's amazing. And then I am also using the concealer. This is the Fuck I'm Flawless concealer, y'all. When I mean no creasing, this is the only concealer that does not make me freaking crease. Like my under eyes be flawless all day. Okay, so definitely for Il Maquillage, definitely highly recommend. No, it's not sponsored. I honestly really enjoy this. Like I really do like it. So yeah, I go ahead and I apply concealer in all the places that I need to apply. Like, do you guys see how flawless my skin looks? And mind you, my skin is not perfect whatsoever. I do have large pores, I do get acne, but like, y'all, like my base is fucking amazing. And if you guys are interested, I will upload a video on how I do my finger waves. So if you're interested, just let me know. But now I'm going in with the Maybelline Fit Me, and I'm using the loose powder, the loose setting powder underneath my eyes. Amazing, amazing powder. Great, great, great price. I lost my train of thought. Great price. And then I don't really use a pressed powder like that, but yeah, I did use it in this video and I'm not mad at it. It worked really, really nicely with the foundation, and it did not make me look cakey at all, like at all. But now I'm going with ABH bronzer in the shade Saddle. I actually haven't used this in quite a while. I've actually been using my Fenty, so I was like, let me give Fenty a break because, you know, I don't got the funds to be buying Fenty Beauty every month when I run out. So yeah, I have to make sure I use up all of my product and not just stick to one brand, because I have way too much makeup, you guys. I really, really do. So yeah, I went ahead and I did that, and then I'm gonna go ahead and apply blush. And for the blush, I use one of Bretman's Rocks blush with ColourPop. I was showing it and it was just blurry, so I just cut it out. But it's the I'm Not Blushing blush. Super pretty, like a hot corally red shade. It's honestly gorgeous. It's amazing. Yes, so I keep losing my train of thought, like literally, you guys, like I don't know what's wrong with me sometimes. But then I'm gonna go ahead and apply highlighter. For highlighter, I did use another ColourPop X Somebody, which is Makeup by Shayla. I used her highlighter in the shade Boomin, so it was another collaboration with ColourPop item. So yeah, and then this is the spray that I used was the pineapple dewy set spray from ABH. That's like the little mini ones that they came out with. I love the pineapple scent. It smells so good, so good. But yeah, so now I'm applying highlighter, and as you guys see, it's absolutely gorgeous. It's not like super blinding, but when your cheekbones hits the light at the right time, y'all, it's like no joke. So now I'm just taking off my gloss because I'm gonna go ahead and apply my lip liner. And for lip liner, Gerard Cosmetics in the shade Mudslide. Mudslide and Sugar and Spice are literally my two go-to and favorite lip liners from Gerard Cosmetics. I go through them so fast, you guys, literally so fast. This is my second Mudslide, and as you guys see, it's going. So I'm just lining my lips with this first, and then I'm going to be using my own gloss from Velez Beauty. You guys, I'm like getting really close to finalizing shades for my glosses for Velez Beauty, and then I just have to wait for lashes to come in, and then we'll be able to launch, I promise. So yeah, I'm doing that, and the shade that I'm using is called Boricua. Again, this is from my Boricua bundle. But the Boricua bundle, it's 3 shades, and it was inspired by my mom and my cousin. Those were 2 women that I grew up seeing always wearing any type of reddish and brownish lipstick, lip gloss, lip liner, you know, all the time. That was what they always wore. So it was definitely inspired by them. So this shade here is a shade that they both wore, so it's more of a reddish brownie shade, and it's called Boricua. But yeah, head over to my Instagram so you guys can see all of the shades and the swatches of them as well. Yeah, so Velez Beauty's Instagram, and you'll be able to see all that stuff. And make sure you follow, because you guys, you know, can stay updated and everything like that. So I'm just fixing my hair, and then that'll be it for the look. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want a video of how I do my finger waves, let me know. I'll have one for you guys. And I love you guys bunches, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.